The 7 prestigious Order of Canada recipients have arrived, ready to enjoy a group of 7 inspired tasting menu.
I'm gonna need the tartare soon.
It's already ready.
Both teams must now start plating their first course.
Start rolling, start rolling.
Becky, I think these are still a little under.
The servers will be here in 5 minutes!
How we doing up there, guys?
Good.
I think we're good.
4 minutes out, guys. 4 minutes from service.
I wish we could rest the venison more, but we have no time.
Gotta get rid. Oh, the blood is not great. Our venison is bleeding, and I have no choice but to start sopping up that blood because we are not serving our prestigious guests bloody meat. Okay, somebody garnish. I'll keep cleaning. You just need 2 more, Eugene.
Let's go, let's go.
They're about to come.
With the judges and VIP guests eagerly waiting, the teams put their final touches on their first courses.
Surface up. Way to go, guys. Round 1's done.
Great teamwork, guys. Great job.
Welcome to all of you. Inspired by the group of 7, our first course comes from the land. From the red team, we have venison tartare with a berry sauce. And the blue team has a pan-seared venison on a celeriac puree. Bon appetit.
Thank you.
Michael, what do you think about the presentation?
I thought the red team had the better presented dish. Very colorful, but very inviting. It has a little bit more finesse and polish to it.
But I gotta tell you, I like the simplicity of the blue team. It really honored the ingredients.
Denise, could I get your take on both dishes?
I'm really enjoying the red team, the venison tartare, and the blue team, I love the celeriac puree.
I agree with you 100%.
So Lloyd, which dish are you leaning towards more?
I think maybe the red team is one up on presentation, but the blue team taste and texture and everything I like better.
Shape-wise, I mean, it's kind of cool. As far as the paintings go, my piece of venison looks a great deal like Lauren Harris's mountain.
Well, I appreciate the feedback. Thank you.
How's everyone doing, guys?
Doing good, Becky.
Awesome.
Back in the kitchen, the teams are hard at work on the second course, inspired by the sea.
Let's keep it up for round 2.
Our sea course is mussels and a white wine cream garlic sauce.
Muscles going in.
You okay, Kagan?
Yeah, doing great.
Right now, I'm feeling really confident in my team's abilities.
You want to try some? I think I have, during the course of this cook, started to regain Becky's trust.
That's nice.
Yeah. We're like a happy family. I love you.
Love you. Thanks for coming back.
No worries. Thanks for having me.
We got this, guys. Keep pushing, keep pushing. I'm gonna have the mussels going on here any second.
Over in the red kitchen, they're preparing PEI mussels with bechamel sauce and deep-fried shrimp heads with caviar.
Andy, you're gonna lead plating on this one because I have to get back onto the quail.
I agree.
Andy is taking the lead for the sea dish. He's from Nova Scotia. He knows seafood.
I'm a proud East Coaster, and I want to put that on the plate. And I'm going to step up and absolutely nail this.
Seafood stock, go.
Come over here and take a peek. Quick peek. I put some salt with the wine and the shallots and the garlic. The only concern I have about our concept is simplicity. Almost there.
They look beautiful.
It is a simplistic menu. Getting the cream ready for the mussel sauce. But if we execute every element, we could blow the judges away with our flavors.
Okay, we have 4 minutes, guys.
Mussels coming over.
4 minutes. I'm gonna start bringing some stuff up front, start plating.
I want the sea plate to look like a fisherman's wharf in rural PEI or rural Nova Scotia.
The heads that are on this, they have been filled with caviar. Let's move here, let's move.
You see the lobster traps, the buoys, the anchor, the ropes. I really drew inspiration from that, and I wanted to recreate that on the plate.
I need one of those heads. Hit me a head, hit me a head.
Those look beautiful, guys. You're doing good, Kagan.
Thank you. Kagan and Becky on plating. Who'da thunk it?
Looks like the ocean.
Beautiful, guys. This is gorgeous.
Down on the wharf.
Down on the wharf.
Oh.
Bon appetit.
The second course is inspired by the sea. From the red team, we have a seafood medley of spot prawns, mussels, and Nova Scotia caviar. And from the blue team, we have classic French mussels with a white wine cream sauce. Bon appetit, everyone.
Thank you very much. The red and the blue presentation, they're very, very similar. Very simple and very pleasant. Going from the taste on the blue team, the cream sauce is MIA. It's not there. I'm not getting that full flavor.
There's a lot more technique happening on the red team. They cook the side stripe prawns to perfection. The mussels are tender and succulent.
Now, caviar, that's very, very luxurious, very expensive. I would not hide the most expensive ingredient inside the head of a prawn. Am I gonna put a plastic cover over my shoes? Never.
You might want to start doing that.
Mark, so what do you think of both dishes?
They're both fantastic. I am a big fan of prawns, and I'm a big fan of spotted prawns, and those were the best spotted prawns I've ever had.
Chef, what are your thoughts?
I really like seafood, so I really enjoyed both. I must say the blue team, I think what they did really well was make a sauce that was tasty enough and would stick to the mussel. I mean, it really did have flavor.
Two very good dishes from two very good teams.
We're really gonna hustle on the last dish.
We got the carrots on, they're starting to braise. Beetroots only have to be fried off. The final course is a pan-seared duck breast, roasted beetroot and blood orange and maple carrots. Okay, what's the temperature at?
133. Becky puts me in charge of the duck breast. I came here to redeem myself. I need to prove to myself that I can handle the pressure. Stop touching. I messed up once, and I don't want to mess up again.
We got this, guys. Strong finish, strong finish.
All right, let's go, let's go, let's go.
I'm working on the 7th quail, and we have less than 20 minutes. I'm not gonna be able to do this in time. I'm gonna make a decision, Mike and Nadia, working everything else. You're gonna help me debone the quail. I make a decision. I'm not gonna serve 7 deboned quails and 3 with the bones.
We need to get these done ASAP.
What is happening? This is raw. How much time is left?
16 minutes.
16 minutes left. Raw quail.
Chef Alvin is losing his mind at us.
What are you thinking of? I think you should pan-sear it. Pan-sear it now. Come on, get it on the pan right now. Go, go.
Chef yells at us to get them into hot pans.
Get them on, come on.
We're on the verge of complete chaos.
2 pans, 2 free pans. Get them in here.
Did you hear that? They're in trouble.
Okay, we got an open pan. Let's take one of these 2 and divide it up. Bring one of these down here.
If we can't cook these quail, we're going to the pressure test.
Come on, get them here now.
Oh my God, what have we done?
Honestly, the duck is probably the best I've ever done.
Beautiful, Kagan.
I'm gonna get a duck tattoo, I think, when I go home.
Perfect. I got a nice brown on mine. Mine are looking great. Amazing. How are the other ones looking?
They're good. They're getting nice and brown.
We're doing whatever it takes to make sure this is exactly how we envision.
Beautiful. These look good. These look great.
And it's coming together.
Beautiful, guys.
It's a piece of artwork.
All right, guys, that's good.
Great job, everybody.
Okay, send them out.
Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in.
Guys.
Team red all the way. That was a sprint. That was more intense than it needed to be.
Here we go. For the 3rd and final course, it's inspired by the sky. From the red team, we have deboned quail, stuffed with caramelized shallots and pecans. And from the blue team, we have warm, spiced duck breast with roasted beets and braised carrots. Bon appetit. I think both teams have done a great job on the presentation. The blue team, I think, is much brighter and more punchy colors. I sort of lean towards that. I love the use of braised carrots, the roasted beets, and the wonderful aroma that comes out from that duck and the warm spices. Very savory, very rich.
Well, if I were judging the red team's quail dish on quantity, they wouldn't be doing too well right now. However, the flavors that they've achieved are exceptional. This dish is really beautifully conceived.
Sometimes quail's a little hard to eat, and this was done really beautifully. I have nothing but praise.
I was so excited by both dishes. The color on the blue team was so eye-catching, and yet for the red team, I really have to say, as a girl from the prairies, that's what I saw on the plate. I saw a part of Canada on this dish, and I thought that was just really so beautiful because the Group of 7 was about representing Canada in such a beautiful way.
Well, on behalf of all of us, I'd like to thank you for joining us for this dinner and all of your eloquent opinions and feedback. Cheers.